What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs. My friend Steven and I are going to build this engine stand. We're going to use it for our Chevy Avalanche engine, which is more than enough. It's a 1 ton, more than enough haulage capacity for the engine itself. And let's just get started in the video.
How long do you want me to?
We'll just pretend until you be like, wait a second. Alright, okay. This is when I'll probably get it.
I know, right? Wait a minute, yo, what the? This is a real dummy for that.
Are you serious,
Oh
man?
my
We didn't even have to do that. Oh, look, what? Oh my god. Wow, we are smart ones. Alright, which way does it go to roll?
Like that. Here, hold it.
Do you think we... Yeah, just in the chair. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm sorry I did this in a time lapse. This was just to, you know, show it being built. This engine stand is going to help us with the Chevy Avalanche rebuild. I have the engine crane to build up as well. And I bought the 2 ton one. I couldn't get the 1 ton that was sold out, so I got the last 2 ton. We're going to do another episode on that one. And then after that, we're going to get started on removing the engine and completely stripping it down. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And also make sure if you're not a subscriber to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification on top to stay up to date with all my latest videos. You can also visit my website, CorollaCustoms.com, and pick up some merchandise there if you're interested. All the proceeds to those t-shirts go to St. Jude's Hospital, and we're going to help those kids get a second chance at life.